Hey everybody, I'm Wes Yancey with Undercover Tonneau Covers and Undercover Sportsman. We're here today at Vancours Auto Detail. We're putting on some Vision X lighting. We've got Evan Keck here, the National Sales Manager with Vision X. I'm going to let him take it away and let you guys know what kind of products we're putting on the Sportsman truck here.
Yeah, thanks Wes. We're starting off, we're going to do an OE replacement kit on the factory fog lights. We're going to do a low bumper installation on our LPX 1510 bar, and finish it off with some backup lights on the rear bumper.
Larry, why don't you step in here and tell us a little bit about Vancours. Tell us how long you've been here, kind of a little bit about the shop.
Yeah, we established in 1994. Started out as a detail shop. Started building a couple of trucks. Kind of took off a little bit in 04. Ever since then, we just expanded. We have now 2 different shops, and started doing accessories full time out back, doing lift kits and everything else, and teamed up with Vision X back when they first started. So happy to be working with them.
All right, everybody, so we're going to get to the installation here on the Sportsman's truck. If you want to learn more about Vancours Auto Detail, go to www.vancours.com and visionxusa.com.